My lord, most
And
certainly.
that is the reason that Madhya Pradesh is so backward,
My
and there is lack of industrialization because of the attitude of people like you. Order and point out that it is being used for some other purpose, and therefore you have imposed 40% duty. I'll be the first person to dismiss their petition. I'll not take even a second to throw them out.
So the background is like this, my lord. My lord, we were allotted a coal block, and the allotment of the coal block is for captive use in the cement in the factory, my lord. Now, under challenge, my lord, is annexure P14,
Page number.
page number 112.
Oh.
May I read that a very short order, my lord?
ये पढ़िए प्लीज.
उपरोक्त विषयांतर्गत संदर्भित पत्र से लिखा गया है कि आपकी उक्त कोल माइन के लिए मध्य प्रदेश पूर्व क्षेत्र कंपनी सो एंड सो विद्युत संयोग लिया गया है। यहाँ विद्युत का उपयोग कोयले की खदान से कोयला निकालने के लिए किया जा रहा है। कोयले का उपयोग आपकी ही कंपनी के दूसरे सीमेंट प्लांट ग्राम सो एंड सो मैहर में उपयोग किया जाना है। इस प्रकार इसे कैप्टिव माइन का रूप देकर माइन पर लग रही 40% विद्युत शुल्क की दर को कम करके 15% करने की मांग की गई है। नाउ दिस इज द डिसीजन। उक्त पर अवगत कराया जाता है कि एक, मध्य प्रदेश विद्युत शुल्क अधिनियम 12 के अनुक्रमांक 8 में सीमेंट उद्योग एवं सीमेंट उद्योग की बाध्य खदानें ब्रैकेट्स कैप्टिव माइन पर 15% की दर है, परंतु
लाख से नीचे पढ़ ही नहीं पाते।
15% की दर है, परंतु अनुक्रमांक 7 खाने पर विद्युत शुल्क की दर 40% है। 2, विद्युत शुल्क की दरें विद्युत के उपयोग अर्थात प्रयोजन पर आधारित है। 3, सियाल घोगरी माइन ग्राम सो एंड सो छिंदवाड़ा मध्य प्रदेश में स्थित कोयले के निकालने हेतु विद्युत का उपयोग किया जाएगा, अर्थात यहां विद्युत का उपयोग माइन के लिए है, माइन के कार्य के लिए है। उपरोक्तानुसार स्पष्ट है कोल माइन में विद्युत का उपयोग / उपभोग माइन से कोयला निकालने के लिए किया जा रहा है। इस पर 40% की दर से विद्युत शुल्क देय होगा।
विद्युत शुल्क अधिनियम देख लिया, वो मैंने पढ़
लिया। Their logic is, since your mine is located at a distance,
that reasoning itself is flawed unless they show it otherwise.
And otherwise also we have, my lord, since they took one point in reply, my lord, saying that although it is a captive use plant, but now subsequently government has allowed sale of excess coal. They don't say you are doing it. They say now, since the government has permitted in general, not to me, in general, that even in captive you can sell to NCL and other government body. But they say, since it is now allowed, not that I am doing it. And that came subsequently.
समझ गए नागराज साहब, बहुत छोटी सी बात है। Unless they say that you are selling it,
exactly,
then principle of proportionality will be applicable. If you are digging 10 tons, putting 7 tons for cement,
and 3 tons in sale, I no longer remain in that technical sense a captive.
For 3 tons, they will be entitled to charge duty at the rate of 40%.
Yes. And in Millard, to counter that, Millard, because I don't want to repeat that, in our rejoinder, we have filed all the royalty documents, entire dispatch documents, that it is coming straight away from the mine to
cement plant.
That's it. Not a ounce extra to any other place, Millard. Government documents we have filed. And that's the only question.
But they want to extract their pound of flesh.
Millard, somebody might have suggested that, oh, this mine is situated somewhere else, so it is a mine only. Their logic is the clause above.
अब इनको सुनने दीजिए. Yes.
My lord, first of all, I'll take my lords through the reply. What we say in reply is, my lord, that we take preliminary objection that this is not maintainable on ground of alternate remedy being available to the petitioner, my lord. That is under section 10 of the Electricity Duty Act 2012, my lord.
बताइए क्या कहता है section 10?
My lord, if I may take my lords to page number 2. of our objection, my lord. And if I may read the section as well, my lord. If any dispute arises between consumer and distribution licensee of electricity or the producer or others, it shall be referred to the electricity inspector for settlement.
ठीक चलिए और बताइए आगे
That is there, my lord. Then, my lord, we say, as learned senior has already pointed out, my lord, that the plant in question, my lord, it is situated in Chhindwara, my lord, whereas the cement plant for which
which in
they say
Mayyar district Satna
it is being used is in Mayyar, which
ऐसा
is
कहाँ प्रावधान है?
approximately.
कि अगर वो प्लांट दूर होगा तो आप जो है
My lord,
institute
my lord,
ड्यूटी का
we
रेट
say,
बदल जाएगा
we say, my lord, because they have to show us that they are not using this for any other purpose.
you will have to show
Because-
you are imposing duty
Because, my lord, we say that, my lord, because they are seeking a special concession from us, my lord. Therefore, they'll have to
this
show
is not a
that,
concession to them
my
this
lord,
is a
15%
concession to the industry this is not a
Industry.
concession to the individual
my lord, most
and
certainly.
that is the reason that Madhya Pradesh is so backward
My
and there is lack of industrialization because of the attitude of people like you
Same thing.
this is the sole reason for the backwardness of the state
My lord, if I may point out, my lord, from the very inception, my lord, from their agreement itself, they have themselves, my lord, I'll take my lords to page 37, my lord.
page 37 of the petition
My lords have recently read 8.1, my lord.
yes
Just below that, my lord, it is not a case where they cannot use it for any other purpose, my lord. 8.2.1 and 8.2.2, my lord,
Yes.
they can use some of the coal for other purposes as well, my lord. If
So,
I
yeah,
may read
so-
it, my lord, 8.2.
read the interim order, the impugned order,
साथ में
and point out that it is being used for some other purpose, and therefore you have imposed 40% duty. I'll be the first person to dismiss their petition. So read from the impugned order.
My lord, I've been through the, my lord, impugned order, my lord.
Yes, P14.
My lord, to that, my lord, I say that because, my lord, they are seeking
Either
50.
you have a justification or you have no justification. If you have a justification, read it out from annexure P14 and point it out. I'll not take even a second to throw them out. Where you have said that it is being used for some other purpose and therefore that's the end of the matter. लिखिएगा. This writ petition is filed being aggrieved of